In today's video, I bring you a simple trading strategy that pinpoints enough market entry and exit points. To use it, you need two oscillators, the CCI and the MACD, placed in the same window. The strategy will show you the best results when using the 1-hour time frame in forks. In my case, I'll be using it on the Euro-Japanese Yen on the 1-hour time frame. The first thing we will have to do is select the CCI indicator. We will configure this indicator for 14 periods at the closing price. Also, we will change the line to red, and we will deactivate the background. Next, we will need to select the MACD indicator. We will configure this indicator with the following parameters: 12-26-2. And we will deactivate the MACD and signal lines. Let's not forget that we have to use both indicators in the same window. Therefore, we will move the CCI inside the MACD. We will align both lines of 0. Let's see an example for opening a BUY position. To open a buy position, it is essential that the red CCI line has crossed the line at plus 100 from bottom to top, while the MACD indicator should have been above the zero fade line. At the same time, to close the position, it is necessary that the CCI line has returned to level plus 100 again. But as practice shows, it is better to close the position if the CCI line crosses the MACD. The stop loss, we will put it below the last low. Let's see an example for opening a sell position. To open a sell position, the red CCI line must have crossed the minus 100 line from top to bottom, while the MACD indicator should have been below the zero decrement line. To close the position, the CCI line needs to has returned to the minus 100 level again, or has crossed the MACD line. The stop loss, we will put above the last high. In the event that the zero lines of the MACD and the CCI are not aligned, we must align them. Let's see some more examples. And ready. I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.